Welcome to the SEO.co Search Engine Optimization Podcast. Digital marketing essentials and next-level tactics. From off-site and on-site optimization to persuasive selling and everything in between. You'll learn actionable tips on what it takes to outright and outrank your competition.
What is the size of the custom software development market? The custom software development market is huge. While software development has been around since the 1960s, custom software development and particularly website design and development came about with the rise of the Internet and large enterprises. Large businesses want to optimize their processes by commissioning software tailored to their specific needs. The demand for custom software development has never been larger. Learn the size of the custom software development market and its particular dynamics in the following article. In it, I will go over the market's growth, characteristics, segmentation, and trends. What is custom software? First, let's define custom software. Custom software, aka bespoke software, is software developed for a specific company, organization, or group. In other words, custom software is intended for a single user. It is not sold commercially nor marketed for multiple customers. Other software is intended for more widespread use. For example, commercial software, aka off-the-shelf software, is marketed and sold to many users and businesses. To appease a wide range of users, owners brand commercial software more generically. They can keep the cost lower because by spreading it among many customers. Just like any custom job, custom software can get expensive. But in the long run, custom software is the cheaper option because it tailors to a business-specific needs. The tailored software can be developed from scratch or integrated into a company's existing software. Either way, custom software is made with the company's needs in mind. Market growth of custom software development. As mentioned, the market for custom software development is huge. But it is set to keep growing over the next few years. The market size was valued at $388.98 billion for 2020 and is expected to grow to $650.13 billion by 2025 at a CAGR of 10.7%. The key companies profiled for these estimates include Microsoft, IBM, and SAP. Another metric for the size of the custom software development market lies in the number of custom software developers around the world. In 2019, there were 26.4 million software developers in the world. This number is expected to grow as high as 45 million by 2030. Consider the estimates by year in the table below. As you can see, the number of custom software developers only increases with time. This will remain true so long as enterprises grow to require more custom programming to be as efficient as possible. Over time, every business tries to optimize its operations, and custom software is the number one way to do this. Market characteristics of custom software development. Having established the immense size of the custom software development market, let's take a closer look at some of the market's unique characteristics. Among other traits, software developer demographics can be analyzed by age, gender, and nationality. The median age of a software developer is 36. In North America, the median age is 39. Europe, the Middle East, and Africa EMEA has the highest median age of any region with 40. Male employees are younger than female employees by half a year on average. Women make up 27.5% of developers in the world. In the U.S., less than 20% of software developers are women. Over 80% are men. As far as nationality, the U.S. has the most software developers of any country with 4.2 million. Europe has the second most software developers in the world with 5.5 million in 2018. India is predicted to overtake the U.S. as having the largest population of software developers by 2024. Another notable country is Ukraine, which has the most number of C++ and Unity 3D developers in the world. As of 2020, Ukraine has about 200,000 software developers. That number is expected to jump to 242,000 by 2025. Consider the time it takes to develop a custom software. custom software development projects can take anywhere from 1 to 9 months. The average time to develop a software is 4.5 months. As for cost, custom software development projects can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $120,000. The price will depend heavily on the size of the enterprise and the required complexity of the software. Custom software is developed with several different programming languages. The most preferred programming languages for custom software development include PHP, JavaScript, C#, Java, and Python, but there are many more. Different coding languages require different skill sets. Consider the number of software developers in the world by programming language. As of September 2018, the number of PHP developers in the world was 5.5 million. JavaScript has the most number of software developers with 10.7 million in 2018. In 2018, there were about 6.2 million C# software developers. There were 7.1 million Java developers in 2018. This number was set to reach 7.6 million by 2019. The number of Python developers was 7 million in 2018. Now there are closer to 7.6 million. Other programming languages that are used less in custom software development include C, C++, Visual Tools, Swift, Objective-C, Ruby, Kotlin, and Lua. Of course, the preferred programming language within custom software development fluctuates with time. But the main coding languages remain relatively constant. Knowing the number of software developers that code in the preferred custom software languages gives a better picture of the market. Market segmentation of custom software development. Beyond its broad characteristics, the custom software development market can be segmented into different areas by software type, service, deployment, enterprise size, and end use. These help break down the market into its smaller submarkets. Custom software differs by software type. These types include software developed for finance, human resources, sales and marketing, supply chain, customer support, and more. A company may commission custom software for any or all of these departments. Sometimes, companies commission custom software that integrates across multiple departments. Custom software varies by deployment. It can be hosted in the cloud or installed on-premise. Cloud software allows users to access data from remote locations and minimizes the need for manual upgrades. On-premise custom software is installed locally, on a company's computers and servers, and does not rely on connecting to the cloud. Custom software hosted in the cloud, aka software as a service SaaS, has become increasingly popular due to its low startup price. Instead of an initial one-time cost, custom cloud software usually has a monthly or annual subscription fee. Interestingly, the cost of either software type converges over time.
Thank you for joining us on the SEO.co podcast. We appreciate your time. Be sure to rate, review, and subscribe to the show, and visit SEO.co for more resources based on today's topic, as well as access to more podcast episodes to help you improve your site's long-term SEO success.